Thank you so much. In the US, 80% of women are diagnosed with cancer in the first stages when it can be cured. In India, most women are diagnosed in the last stages, usually when it's too late. But now a mobile cancer unit right at your doorstep that will literally save lives. Shai Venkatraman has the story for you.
Queuing up for what could well turn out to be a lifesaver. Called the One Stop Breast Clinic, this is a mobile mammography screening unit which takes breast cancer screening directly to the community's doorstep at a low cost. Inside is a mammography machine which does the screening through a simple low-dose X-ray. The procedure takes less than 15 minutes and the results delivered 2 weeks later.
Breast cancer has become increasingly prevalent. Anybody can be affected. We keep delaying going to a hospital. This is closer home, so could come for the test.
The incidence of breast cancer, experts say, has been rising by 2% every year over the last 10 years in India. Until about 10 years ago, 1 in 100 women between the ages of 40 and 70 years got breast cancer. Now it's 3 in 100.
I think the reasons are our lifestyle, the late marriage, the late first child, short period of lactation, low physical activity and high fat diet. And I feel that with these habits and lifestyle, the incidence of breast cancer is going to become more and more.
Breast cancer is caused due to the uncontrollable growth of cells lining the milk ducts. This slowly becomes a lump. If detected early, it's curable. But in India, less than 1% of women do regular screening. And because of late diagnosis, over 50% of women between the ages of 40 to 70 years are dying. Doctors say the reason many women don't get it done is because of the hassle of a hospital visit. By providing this service right at their doorstep, they are hoping to reverse the trend. In Mumbai, Shai Venkatraman for NDTV.